All right, guys, if you have no heat on your Mazda, all right, doesn't matter what year, make, or model you have, long as it's a Mazda, you don't have a heat. What you want to do is, first thing, you want to take a look at this bottle, okay? This bottle should be full. A lot of times this bottle will empty out. You will not have antifreeze. All right, this car was low on antifreeze, so all I did was top off the antifreeze. So pretty much open this cap, but don't open it when the car is hot. Let the car sit about 2 to 3 hours. After that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this slowly. All right, there should be no pressure. All right, but if the car is hot, it's gonna shoot back at you. You're gonna burn yourself, so be careful, okay? So you take antifreeze, fill this up. All right, once you fill this up, I want you to start the car. Let the car warm up, all right? And feel these two pipes. These are heater core pipes. They should be equally hot. They cannot be, one cannot be warm and the other one is super hot. What that indicates is that your heater core is blocked up, all right? And it could be that if one pipe is cold, that means the antifreeze wants to go in, the hot antifreeze, but it does not want to come back because it's blocked off, okay? That means you need a new heater core, big job. But sometimes it's low antifreeze and you will not have heat, okay? Also, I want you to check your blender motor, okay? Blender motor is very important to check, all right? Because if the blender, let's say it's summer, you have the AC on, the blender motor opens and it dies, the motor dies, but it's open to give you AC. It needs to close in winter and give you heat from the opposite side. But if it dies off with heat off, AC on, in winter, it's not gonna turn over. It's pretty much a doorway. It's either gonna open to heat or to AC. But in summer, if it dies and it does not open up the heat, you're not gonna have no heat. But how you check that? Let's get inside the car and I'll show you just about now. All right, so we'll go inside the car. What we're gonna do is we're gonna play around with this knob, okay? Just to give you an idea, you start the engine. Let the car heat up, guys, okay? So the temperature has to be midway like this one is. I already tested this one, so the temperature is midway. What you're gonna do is feel the air from the vents. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on speed number 2. All right, feel it. Cold air because it's on cold. But if you change it to hot, you should have a temperature change. If you have no temperature change at all whatsoever, if you put the AC on, you get cold air, and you put it to heat, no heat at all whatsoever. Rev the engine up, make sure it's in park. Just rev the engine up a little bit. The pump will push the fluid through, okay? These are the tests you can do yourself. But however, if you do feel that once you put it on heat, you start to get heat, not too hot but mild, little bit, that indicates your blender motor is good, okay? So that's how you're gonna test that. But if it doesn't change, that means your blender is pretty much stuck, and that's it. You're gonna have to check that blend motor, okay? All right, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like all of my videos. If you guys have any questions about heat, AC, if you have check engine codes, send me a message. All right, so thank you again and bye-bye.